Okay guys, hope you're well. Going to be doing a quick scalp on euro dollar. I'm going to be placing the order pretty much as we speak. So just drop that underneath. It is for 4 pips from its current place, which I'm hoping to get up over on itself to come back down into this area here. Now, what we're going to do with this is quite simple. Now, it's running on from the series of videos I've been doing this morning. You'll be able to see them in the WhatsApp group. There's a link for it in the description. It's all free. Just knock yourself out. But basically, I'm doing this for Simon. So let's salute to you. Now, you'll have seen another video go out, which was also for 4 pips, but going the other way. But over the course of the last couple of hours, I needed to see this thing shorthand. I wasn't going to preempt it. It wasn't ready at each top of the hour, but now it's coming in at 12 o'clock. It is, and there's the push down that we're looking for, and hopefully it'll be done in just a second or two. Come on, down, because I want you to see it there. Yeah, it's cashed out. 20 quid in less than a minute. Now, where's that come from? Well, it's come from this here. So it told me, sell it. It was ready, 4 pips, knock yourself out. Now it's risky because this thing could easily bounce back up the other way. Why? Because it's coming into the bottom of here. If it hits the bottom of there, it can bounce. Now if it breaks through, which it has, it'll come down onto this, which is fine, you know. But I always assume that a barrier, this bit here, is going to cause a problem to the trade. And if it does cause a problem, I don't want to be involved in it. So what's the answer? Get out before you get there. Set the trade just in front of this level. Now that means I can carry the spread into the level and then not get caught. That's the general idea. So it was an incredibly easy trade. Told the guys what I was doing before I did it, and there you go. So that was for you, Simon. Little salute to you, kid. We'll just check, make certain I haven't got any tickets running. So no tickets running, and then there you go. So 1 up, 1 down, 20 quid either way over the course of the last couple of hours. So it doesn't sound a lot, but sometimes the markets are just not willing to give you what you want. Now, I could have easily sized up on this, but it was risky. So I do it the other way. I size down and I'll scale in and I'll get the size up. But I was kind of right. Look, it's rejecting on A. Yeah, push through. But if I was holding to here, that has created the barrier. So that's it. So again, targeting is incredibly important to what we do, and if you're sensible, you can just chip away at it, and then when you're paid the amount of money that you're required, just quit. There you go. Catch us all in the next one.